Hello dear learners, I welcome you all to the today's video lecture on MCQs in pharmaceutical chemistry from the chapter Tranquilizers. To start with the questions, the first question is haloperidol comes under which class, which of the following class? Now according to the classification, basically tranquilizers are classified into two types: minor tranquilizers, major tranquilizers. Major tranquilizers having various subclasses and minor tranquilizers are having subclasses. Now this haloperidol is a drug which belongs to the class butyrophenone. The second option is phenothiazine. It does not belong to phenothiazine. No benzodiazepine, carbamates, nothing. Next question is, now it was class. Haloperidol belongs to butyrophenone class. And now it belongs to which category? Haloperidol comes under which of the following category? The given categories are like tranquilizer, anti-TB, anti-malarial analgesic. So the correct answer is tranquilizers. Next question is, dash are CNS depressant which bring about a calming effect and include mild sedative effect. These are the drugs which brings about CNS depression with calming effect and mild sedative effect. So options are sedative, hypnotics, tranquilizers, analeptic, and the correct answer is tranquilizer. Next question is 7-chloro, 1,3-dihydro, 1-methyl, 5-phenyl, 2-OH, 1,4-benzodiazepine, 2-one is the IUPAC name of. The correct answer is, it is diazepam. For the diazepam IUPAC nomenclature explanation, you can see the video or you can refer the link which is given in the description box. That video of diazepam contains the detailed nomenclature of diazepam or detailed nomenclature of benzodiazepine, you can call. And diazepam belongs to the class benzodiazepine. Next question, the drug used in treatment of insomnia. Insomnia is lack of sleep at night time. So the drug used is diazepam. Correct answer is diazepam. Diazepam is really very important from the exam point of view. Haloperidol is also very important. So the focus is basically on the uses, brand name, structure, every aspect of the diazepam. Next question is, brand name of chlorpromazine is, the correct answer is, it exists under the brand Amatil. Next question is, major tranquilizers are also known as, options are anxiolytics, anti-anxiolytics, antipsychotics, sedatives, and the correct answer is antipsychotics. Major tranquilizers are also known as antipsychotics as well as they are also known as neuroleptics. The correct answer is antipsychotics. Next question is, which of these are from benzodiazepine class except? Now the given drugs are diazepam, nitrazepam, flutoprazepam, haldol. All these zepam belong to benzodiazepine. So the remaining is haldol. So the correct answer is haldol, and haldol is also known as haloperidol. Next question is, chlorpromazine hydrochloride belongs to which class? Either it is benzodiazepine, phenothiazine, butyrophenone or others. So the correct answer is phenothiazine. Chlorpromazine hydrochloride, prochlorperazine maleate, all these drugs contains phenothiazine heterocycle. The correct answer is phenothiazine. Next question is, diazepam exists under which brand? Brand names of diazepam are Valium, Campos, Alzepam, These all are brands of diazepam. So the correct answer is all of them. Valium and Calpol, these are the very famous brands of diazepam, on which separate question is also asked for 1 mark in the theory examination. Name the drug which exists under Valium brand name, Calpol brand name, etc. Next question is, haloperidol is also known as, now just now we discussed haloperidol is also known as Haldol. So the correct answer is A, Haldol. It is not known by the name halothane, haloday, halothine, but correct answer is Haldol. Next question is, tranquilizer containing piperidine ring is, now the classes are minor and major, and which of that contains piperidine ring in it? So the tranquilizers containing piperidine ring are chlorpromazine hydrochloride, then no, sorry, not chlorpromazine hydrochloride. Tranquilizer containing piperidine ring is prochlorperazine maleate, which contains piperidine ring along with the phenothiazine heterocycle. And one more example of tranquilizer containing piperidine is haloperidol. But haloperidol belongs to the class butyrophenone, and prochlorperazine maleate do not belong to the butyrophenone class. It belongs to phenothiazines. The correct answer is haloperidol, and haloperidol is also known as Haldol. So correct answer is both B and C. Next question, benzodiazepines contains, now as you all know, benzodiazepine is the fusion of benzene and diazepine ring. But in case of diazepine, the position of nitrogen is what? Since it is diazepine, it is containing 2 aza, that means 2 nitrogen. But what is the position? Either it is present at first and fourth position, either nitrogen is present at first and second position, either it is present at first and third position, or none of them. The correct answer is benzodiazepines contains 1,4-diazepine ring. That means diazepine ring which contains nitrogen at first and fourth position. Next question is, which of these is used in treatment of alcohol withdrawal symptoms? Again, the correct answer is diazepam. Diazepam is used in alcohol withdrawal symptoms. Next question is, which of these is used in elevation of intractable hiccups? The options are trifluperidol, chlorpromazine hydrochloride, diazepam, trifluperazine, and the correct answer is chlorpromazine hydrochloride. Intractable hiccups means what? The hiccups which exist for longer time. Intractable, more than 1 month it exists. So elevation means to decrease. So treatment of intractable hiccups में chlorpromazine hydrochloride is used. Next question is, schizophrenia symptoms include delusions and hallucination, loose motion, mania, insomnia. Now schizophrenia is a psychic disorder, so definitely mania and insomnia are the excitatory phase, and psychic disorder include these phases, but schizophrenia and loose motion is totally impossible. But schizophrenia will have the symptoms like delusions, hallucinations, that means feeling something which is not there, or abnormal feelings, means that is deviating the normal situations, normal psychic conditions. Next question is, Emityl is the brand name of chlorpromazine hydrochloride. Options are trifluperidol, chlorpromazine hydrochloride, diazepam, and trifluperazine. The correct answer is chlorpromazine hydrochloride, because it exists under the brand name Emityl. Next question is, prochlorperazine maleate contains, now prochlorperazine maleate is again from the phenothiazine class. It contains what out of these? Piperidine ring with phenothiazine heterocycle, piperidine ring with chlorpromazine heterocycle, pyridine ring with phenothiazine, or piperidine with phenothiazine group. So the correct answer is it is piperidine ring with phenothiazine heterocycle, not group, because phenothiazine is a fused heterocycle and piperidine is the 6-membered ring. So chlorpromazine maleate contains both piperidine ring and phenothiazine heterocycle as well. And other tranquilizer which contains piperidine ring is haloperidol, which belongs to butyrofenone class. Next question is, tranquilizer from carbamate class is, the examples are bromate, clonamate, meprobamate, gmate. So the correct answer is meprobamate, which is the example belonging to the class carbamate. Next question is, tranquilizer with antispasmodic effect is, antispasmodic effect means to relieve the spasms, muscle contractions. So the options are trifluperidol, chlorpromazine hydrochloride, diazepam, or trifluperazine. The correct answer is diazepam. So many a times you might have found or you might have observed that uses of diazepam are frequently getting repeated, which is really very important from the theory point of view as well as MCQ's point of view. Next question is, tranquilizer which is used in the treatment of manic phase in case of bipolar disorder. Now this bipolar disorder is again a psychic condition. Bipolar means it is a alternative cycle of depression and excitement. Depression and excitement, that means depression and mania, which is getting again repeated and repeated. So mania is nothing but the excited state and depression is exactly opposite of that, it is unexcited, that means it is calming phase, a depressive phase. So which tranquilizer is used in the treatment of manic phase? Manic means it is excited, so to depress that. So the correct answer is chlorpromazine hydrochloride. Other options are trifluperidol, diazepam, trifluperazine, but chlorpromazine hydrochloride, in the link which I have shared in the description box for the chlorpromazine, in the uses you will find the very nice diagram which explains the uses of chlorpromazine hydrochloride. Thank you. With this we finish with the tranquilizers.